So in summary, a beautifully built boat. Owen Clarke designed, acknowledged the input with Clay Oliver as co-designer. Clay put a lot of input into VPP and looking at the whole development of the boat, moving it on from where we were with our previous generation. So we have a boat here which is optimised for light to moderate breeze. Many of the innovations, of course, can be adapted to a higher wind speed boat for transatlantic, so we can develop the hull shapes accordingly. But I think this is a really nice design for not only East Coast US but West Coast US transpac kind of boat, and Northern European inshore-offshore sailing, fastnet races, Normandy Channel, and even the TJV. You know, TJV is going to Brazil now. We're back to when we started with the Class 40, 2 TJVs every 4 years going on the equator run rather than across the Atlantic. So perhaps an interesting performer for that race. We might find that she's actually very quick indeed overall on that kind of race. And in innovation terms, as we were the first to introduce masthead rig to IMOCA with Ekava 2, this is the first Class 40 with a masthead rig, and ballast innovation 2 with the 3 tanks, and the ability to trim fore and aft greater than any previous Class 40. Again, IMOCA 60 world, Owen Clarke were the first to introduce central ballast when we designed Kingfisher. And just the deck layout, the ability to trim sails, there's any number of efficiencies here. Trim sails using the pulley block system for tweaking the general in-haul, out-haul, the ability to carry spinnaker staysails in the sail plan as part of the 8 sails, all leading towards a boat which is really very finely tuned. And that's pretty much, in summary, the main points of the boat. Beautifully built, lots of time for development during the design phase, and a project which has lasted something like 15 months, so we couldn't really have asked for any more time or any more support than we had from project manager Matt Baldwin, the owner, and the team around the boat, all spars. Quantum in Chicago built the sails. It's been a really fun project to be involved with.